adding the Grammarly extension to Google Chrome. Open the Chrome browser, type Chrome, extensions. In the address bar, you will see all the extensions installed in your browser. To add a new extension, click the Chrome Web Store link, click the search icon and type Grammarly. Click the first link, Grammarly, Grammar Checker and AI Writing App. As shown, click the Add to Chrome button, click the Add Extension button, and Chrome will install the extension for you. Click the extension icon as shown. Click the pin icon as shown. Go to the document where you want to run Grammarly and reload the screen. Grammarly will show the words with incorrect spellings and the total number of errors. Once you correct all the critical errors, Grammarly will show no critical issues on the suggestion screen. Thank you for watching.